सूक्ष्म व्यायाम, प्रार्थना, प्रेयर, ग्रीवा शक्ति विकासका 1, up and down movement of neck. Inhale while looking up, exhale while looking down. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 2, turn to your left and right side alternately. Exhale while turning sideways and inhale while coming back to center. Second part of this, tilt your neck to both the sides alternately. Exhale while tilting, inhale while coming back to center. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 3, neck rotation from anti-clockwise and clockwise direction. Do not give any jerk while doing this. 3 to 5 times from each side. Griva Shakti Vikasaka 4, inhale such that neck tendons and veins are visible and exhale slowly. Repeat this for few times. Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka, rotate your hand, either one hand at a time, or you can also rotate both the hands at the same time. Few times forward direction and few times backward direction. One hand or both the hands at a time. Side view of Purna Bhuja Shakti Vikasaka. Feet together. Bhujavalli Shakti Vikasaka, raise your both the hands up towards the sky by touching your bicep to ears, and palms should be facing outwards and feet together. Do this for few times. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 1, interlock your fingers behind your hips, inhale and bend backwards. Slowly exhale and bend forwards, trying to touch forehead to your knees, and stretch your hands as much as forward. Now inhale and come back again to normal position. Do this for few times. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 2, spread your legs such that the distance is more than your shoulders. Give support of your hands to your waist and inhale and bend back. Exhale and bend forward, trying to touch head to the floor by keeping the knees straight and back straight. Do this for few times and come back to normal position. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 3. In this, keep your hands sideways and with some speed bend back and forwards alternately for few times. Inhale while bending back, exhale while bending forward. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 4, keep your feet together, hands parallel to the ground sideways. Now touch your right calf with your right hand and left calf with your left hand. While bending sideways, exhale while coming up, inhale. Kati Shakti Vikasaka 5, keep 1 foot distance between your legs and hands parallel to the floor sideways, and do spinal twist by keeping hands parallel to the floor. Do this for few times. Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2A, keep your feet and knees near to each other and come into chair position. Do this for few times. Hands in front parallel to the ground. Side view of Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2A. Knees should not go more forward than your toes. Jangha Shakti Vikasaka 2B. Spread your hands and knees sideways so that your hips will come close to your heels. Repeat this for few times. Janu Shakti Vikasaka. Kick your hip with your heel and then make your knee straight in front. Repeat this for few times. Do the same with another leg. Janu Shakti Vikasaka. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka A. Raise your heels by giving stress on your toes. Do this for few times. Heels up and heels down. Heels up and heels down. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka A, front view, by giving weight on toes, heels up and down. Padamula Shakti Vikasaka B, we have to jump on our toes. This is the side view of the same, jumping on the toes for few times. Gulfa Pada Prishta Pada Tala Shakti Vikasaka, which means ankle rotation. So we have to do this ankle rotation by keeping our knee straight. Do it anti-clockwise and clockwise direction with both the legs alternately for few times. Side view of Gulfa Pada Prishta Pada Tala Shakti Vikasaka. Sthula Vyayama, macro circulation. This is Hridgati, engine dod. In this, we have to kick our hips with the heel of our leg. Side view of Hridgati. When left hand will be back, left heel will kick the hip. So right hand back, right leg up, left hand back, left leg up. Do this for 1 or 2 minutes. Sarvanga Pushti Vyayam. Spread your legs, keeping distance more than your shoulders. Make fist of your hand and place left hand in front and right fist behind. Now stretch your back a little. Keep your knee straight, keep your back straight. Exhale and bend down. Place your hand on floor and try touching head to your knee. Now change the fist. Take left hand back, right hand in front. Stretch a little back by inhaling and again exhale and bend down. Now again interchange your fist. Right fist back and left fist in front. Inhale, come up, stretch a little back, and then again exhale and bend down by keeping your knees and back straight, trying to touch head to your knee. Again interchange your fist and come up while inhaling. And relax, hands down, legs closer. Eat clean, do yoga and stay healthy.